Hey guys, I just wanted to say I got a new job. One, there's two more things I bet. My new job is at McDonald's. That's one. My sister moved out of here. Two, and I redesigned my room. Three, look at it. I'm gonna get a closer view in a second. Cool, right? I got my own table, my own bed, a side table. I still got the TV, carpet, and all that stuff. I just redesigned it. And my new job is at McDonald's, so I got a couple Happy Meals there. You can see that. I designed a couple of the boxing in the room. I bet you can't find it. One right there, and there's one, two, like three right there. I got Captain Claw or Hulk. I don't know. See, we got the monkey. And since my sister moved out, since my sister moved out, I changed it. And this is why my sister moved out. She kind of like, let's say she said, she said that since I have two jobs, and I have enough money for my own dormitory in school, she had enough for her own. She kind of split. She said that we should get two other rooms because she's tired of sitting in a side-by-side bed because you can't get any side tables. Well, I'm kind of glad now. I still got my own poster. She has her own. It's like a present. Plus, she has no visitors. She never visits. She never lets anyone visit the room. I don't get why. Plus, I got so excited about the McDonald's thing. Like in 3 weeks, I'm practicing right now, and I'm actually really having customers in my own thing. I'm rearranging my whole room just to make it the restaurant. I'll be back with ya when I arrange it and have my own restaurant. It's gonna be so cool. I finished setting it up, and I told my sister that I'm opening up McDonald's. She thought. Shut up! Thunder! I don't like thunder! She started working for me. Now she's screaming because there was a new thunderstorm. Hey, I just hit a car! My car! I can buy you a new one. Shut up! When? Tomorrow. I'm so scared of cars. You're scared of cars? And everything. Okay. Now, come on. I'm coming. More protection. Now, you're going to do all the cooking, and I'm going to give them their Happy Meal. I got 2 boxes right here. I can still redo them. And then there's my doll. Got hundreds of him. So, we are ready. Let's wait for our first customer. We're still waiting. We've been waiting for half an hour. Oh, here's our first customer. Oh, hi. I will take the deluxe burger, French fries, salad, taco, and the Happy Meal. Okay, here is your deluxe burger, french fries, and salad taco. And here is your Happy Meal. I will get that in a second. Here you go. It's your Happy Meal and your captain. Cool! Thanks. Gonna eat over there at the table.
Mama, I need a blanket. Can you give me a blanket?
What the heck is going on with her?
Mama, I see your butt cheek.
She's kissing her Happy Meal toy. She's eating too, though.
Литровую банку. Наверное, можно. Хорошо.
I hope this does end quickly. Me too. Okay, our next customer. I see him coming. I would like Coca-Cola, salad taco, pizza, and a big Happy Meal. That'd be $600. Oh wait, actually $100. I got the calculation wrong. Whoa, $100! You ordered a big Happy Meal. Everything else is $50. This costs $52. No, whatever. Okay, it'll be ready in a second. Here's everything you need and your Happy Meal. Oh, golly! I'm gonna go sit in that comfy cute looking thing. And don't look at me, eat it, and smooch it. Please don't smooch, or you will be kicked out of the store. What? Why? Because we've already seen it. And it's really gross. Well, okay. Take it any longer. Have to smooch. Okay, you're kicked out of the store. Now you can come back. Come back. Take everything and get out. What? I didn't never get a warning. I guess I did. I'm gonna go. Customers and customers and customers later. Ugh, I'm exhausted. Me too. I wasted all my money. I got all of that out of nothing. Oh my God, how much money did we get? 8 million. 8,600,000.
6,600.
Oh wait, 6,665. Wow. But still, it's worth it. Hey, isn't the store supposed to have a close sign? Because people are waiting in the front door. Oh yeah, I'll go put it up. I put it up. Hey, I'm gonna have to move all the furniture again just for it. Hey, maybe I can just add the furniture because I like it like this. Yeah, but you have to have the TV good. You have to arrange it though too, because it's bad. Yeah, I'll do that. Bye. Oh yeah, I forgot to pay you your share of money. Here. Ching. Okay, bye. Bye. Wow, this is gonna take some time. Thanks for watching this episode with Ruby Kulakova and Ebony Kulakova. I hope you liked it. By the way, episode name. This episode's name is Two Jobs at Once. But the two jobs at once doesn't really work. So I'm gonna change it. So I'm guessing really I'm really guessing McDonald's really works. Let's just say living with McDonald's. That seems like the best idea, really. Now. Da 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 da. The end.